Everyone, this is Brian with Recast Software. In this video, we're going to cover Recast Management Server in 100 seconds. What is the Recast Management Server? It's a .NET 6 Blazor WebAssembly website application that's hosted in IIS. It gives you access to robust role-based administration, centralized audit logs, the ability to route right-click tools actions over a service account or local system account. If you've got agents deployed, the option to run actions over the fast channel for devices connect to a cloud management gateway. Web dashboards and trends, the option to set up an internet-facing agent gateway to action against internet-connected devices. It's also used to collect warranty information with the proxy if you've got endpoint insights. This is what the routing tab will look like if you want to change the way that actions are executed. In this instance, on the right-hand side, you can see Recast Proxy is the highest route. So we'll check to see if there's a proxy connected and authorized. If it is, it'll execute using the service account credentials. If not, it'll drop down to the console extension with whoever assigned to the console. This is what trends look like. It's basically just a scheduled snapshot in time where you're doing a comparison. This is for Active Directory, so if I were to click on one of the dots, you can see more information about that specific snapshot. You can interact with this pie chart. You can see objects below, get more information there. And with permissions, you can choose who can do what. So in this example, we're just creating a help desk role, giving it the ability to do different Active Directory options, but not all options. So when they open right-click tools, right-click on a device, some things will be grayed out. And you also have centralized licensing. So upload your license once, and then everyone who connects to the Recast Management Server will get the license file. There's a lot more awesome things with Recast Management Server. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Take care.